Welcome to This Explainer. I am absolutely thrilled to have you here today because we're tackling a universal frustration. Literally almost every active adult and busy professional faces this daily. It's that heavy, lingering sense of chronic exhaustion. You know the exact feeling, right? Staring blankly at your inbox, surviving the morning commute, managing the evening family chaos, and just constantly pushing your body to the absolute limit. And yet, no matter how much you try to rest, you just can't seem to get your energy back. It's a massive paradox. But today, we're going to unpack the fascinating science from our sources to uncover exactly how we can cure this chronic fatigue. And the best part? We're going to do it right at the cellular level.
So, here's the big question. Why do you still hit a wall at 2 p.m., even after a full night's rest? It is incredibly frustrating, isn't it? I mean, you do everything right, you get your solid 8 hours of sleep, and yet, bam, by mid-afternoon, that overwhelming brain fog and muscle lethargy just creeps right back in. Well, it turns out chronic fatigue is rarely just a lack of sleep. So if sleep isn't the magic bullet, what on earth are we doing wrong? Okay, let's dive into this. When we feel that dreaded crash coming on, what's our first instinct? We usually turn to what I like to call the failing band-aids. We grab multiple cups of coffee, maybe chug a high-sugar energy drink, or we pop a standard daily multivitamin. Some of us even just try drinking a few extra glasses of water, hoping that'll do the trick. But according to the physiological science in our source material, these are really just temporary stimulants. They essentially force an artificial spike in your heart rate, which gives you a fleeting burst of alertness, sure, but they inevitably lead to a steep, miserable crash that leaves you feeling, honestly, significantly worse than before.
Section 1. The root of exhaustion. Starving at the cellular level.
To truly fix this fatigue, we have to shift our focus away from just counting the hours we sleep. We need to look at the actual biological origins of exhaustion, which are systemic dehydration, cellular nutrient depletion, and metabolic imbalance. Basically, your cells are starving for the raw materials they need to produce energy, and they're drying out. This brings us to a massively important concept called bioavailability. This is simply the proportion of a nutrient or fluid that actually enters your systemic circulation and is actively utilized by your cells. So the crucial takeaway here is this: what you swallow doesn't actually matter. It is entirely about what your body's cells can absorb and use to make ATP, which is the primary energy carrier in your cells. If your cells don't get the raw materials, your physical and mental stamina just completely tanks.
Moving on to Section 2, the digestive bottleneck. Let's see how this builds our understanding of why oral supplements are kind of failing us. The traditional defense against nutrient depletion is just swallowing a pill, right? But the human digestive system is this harsh, notoriously inefficient bottleneck that actually destroys the nutrients we're trying so desperately to consume. Just look at this number, 20%. When you swallow a standard multivitamin, by the time those nutrients fight their way through your system and finally reach your cells, the actual absorption rate can drop to as low as 20%. That means you are potentially losing 80% of the vital, energy-boosting nutrients you literally just paid for. Crazy, right?
This massive loss happens because of a biological process called the first-pass effect. It's almost like a nutrient obstacle course. First, the swallowed pill drops into the stomach's highly acidic environment. Next, your digestive enzymes aggressively break down its molecular structure. Then, the liver acts like a heavy-duty filter, pulling out active compounds. And finally, only a tiny fraction of those remaining degraded nutrients slowly trickles into your bloodstream. Your cells are out there literally starving for hydration and micronutrients, while your digestive system is burning precious energy just trying to process the pill in the first place.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the massive disparity in efficiency across our usual energy solutions. Caffeinated beverages, for example, might hit you in 15 to 30 minutes, but the sustainability is incredibly brief. A crash always follows. Plus, it actually negatively impacts your systemic hydration because caffeine is a diuretic. Intravenous or IV therapy, on the other hand, guarantees 100% absorption, immediate onset, long-lasting sustainability, and maximum hydration. So instead of forcing an artificial spike, IV therapy provides the actual foundational building blocks your body needs to generate its own sustained power.
Section 3. The IV therapy bypass.
IV therapy often gets stereotyped as just a trendy hangover cure, but medically and scientifically speaking, it is the ultimate biological highway. It lets us bypass that destructive digestive bottleneck entirely, ensuring your body doesn't have to expend any extra energy breaking down pill casings or filtering binders. Contrast that with the 20% stat we saw earlier, 100%.
When a customized blend of saline, vitamins, and minerals enters your venous system directly, it guarantees absolute, instant absorption. The vascular system immediately transports those active ingredients straight to the cellular level through passive diffusion and active transport.
And the impact on hydration is just staggering. One single IV drip provides the hydration equivalent of drinking more than a whole gallon of water, and it does this in under an hour. This is the immediate fix to that hidden culprit of brain fog and lethargy we talked about, mild chronic dehydration. Now, obviously, standard drinking water is necessary for baseline living, for sure, but your gastric emptying rate severely limits how fast you can actually absorb it. An IV drip, though, it pulls fluid directly into those thirsty cells instantly.
Section 4. NAD+ and cellular aging. Let's zoom in from the macro level of bodily hydration right down to the micro level. If hydration is the oil in your engine, well, we need to talk about the spark plugs. This is where we get into some incredibly exciting anti-aging and cellular health science. Have you ever heard of NAD+? It stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. It's a vital coenzyme found in every single living cell. It basically converts the food you eat into ATP, which is your cellular energy, and it fuels enzymes called sirtuins that repair damaged DNA. So if mitochondria are the powerhouses of your cells, NAD+ is the essential spark they need to run. But here is the terrifying part highlighted in our sources. As we reach middle age, our natural NAD+ levels plummet by half. Just poof, gone. This depletion is directly tied to the physical fatigue and cognitive decline we constantly associate with getting older.
But here's the good news. We can actually fix this depletion. Enter Niagen. It's a highly specialized patented precursor, specifically a form of vitamin B3 known as nicotinamide riboside. Unlike those harsh stimulants we rely on, Niagen acts as the exact molecular building blocks your body needs to stimulate and synthesize its own natural NAD+ production. By incorporating targeted treatments like Niagen, you can bypass metabolic roadblocks, restore your mitochondrial health, and quite literally rebuild your cellular energy reserves right from the ground up.
Section 5. Tailored wellness infusions.
The real beauty of bypassing the digestive system is that clinical practitioners can use this exact science to craft highly specific solutions tailored to your unique physiological demands. This isn't just some one-size-fits-all Band-Aid. For example, if you travel a lot or you're highly stressed, an immune support formulation delivers high doses of ascorbic acid and zinc straight to your white blood cells. Dealing with chronic exhaustion, energy enhancement floods you with B-complex and B12 to naturally stimulate cellular energy, zero crash included. Athletes use magnesium-rich recovery drips to rapidly flush lactic acid from fatigued muscles. For detoxing, glutathione acts as the master antioxidant to clear the liver and reduce systemic inflammation. And yes, hangover relief is definitely a thing, instantly restoring balance and neutralizing toxins. The applications of metabolic wellness go far, far beyond just basic hydration.
So the core takeaway here is incredibly clear. Oral intake requires delayed gastric emptying. It forces your body to expand precious metabolic energy just to digest, and it results in high nutrient degradation. Intravenous infusion bypasses all of that nonsense entirely. You get immediate cellular uptake, passive diffusion, and you restore your osmotic balance in an instant. Look, drinking purified water is absolutely the foundation for baseline living. We all know that. But when it comes to acute recovery, repairing those metabolic pathways, and actually achieving optimal vitality, IV therapy is the undisputed key.
Medical experts make one thing incredibly clear. You do not have to accept exhaustion as a permanent fixture in your life. Let that sink in for a second. You don't just have to push through the brain fog every single day. You don't have to accept the 2 p.m. crash is just a normal part of getting older. Because now, you actually understand the profound biological mechanics of how to get your energy back by targeting your cellular health directly.
I want to leave you with this provocative question. If your body no longer had to fight the digestive bottleneck, what could you achieve with 100% of your cellular energy? Imagine waking up completely refreshed, powering through your entire afternoon without a slump, and actually having the capacity to handle whatever life throws at you. The science of targeted nutrient infusions absolutely makes it possible. Think about how rethinking your wellness routine could completely transform your daily performance. Thank you so much for joining me to explore this fascinating science today. Stay curious, stay energized, and I'll see you on the next explainer.